Hello, friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and I am stopping by because I am just so excited. If you watched my last video, the last video I did on Fun with Stencils, I was adding foil to the stencils using that Duo transfer gel, and I said I was on the fence about a glimmer foil machine. Well, I have the best friends ever. A friend reached out to me, said that they knew of someone who had bought two of them. Would I want to buy one at a very discounted price? I took maybe a couple minutes before I said, yeah, I want to get in on that. So I now have a Glimmer hot foil system. Sorry about the reflection. Not going to do an unboxing because there's lots of those videos on the internet, on the YouTube. I'm getting ready to watch the Glimmer Boot Camp from Spellbinders. But if you know of any good tutorials on using this, or you yourself have any tips, leave them in the comment section below. And if you have one, leave a comment in the comment section below telling me where's your favorite place to buy like the foiling dies, or what's your favorite. This is all kind of new to me. I've seen it, but I haven't paid attention because I was on the fence about it for so long. So let me know, and I'm so excited, and hopefully soon I'll have some foiled items to share and put them on some cards, and we'll just see how it goes. All right, thanks for stopping by, and let me know in the comment section below, again, what videos you like to watch if you have one, favorite place to buy supplies, anything. Drop me a little line. All right, talk to you soon. Have a crafty day.